अमरीकी सदर डोनाल्ड ट्रंप ने कहा है कि ईरान पर आज रात शदीद हमले किए। ये हमले उर्दन और इराक में हलाक अमरीकी फौजियों के एजाज़ में किए। ट्रंप ने दावा किया कि अमरीका आबना हुर्मुज़ को कंट्रोल करता है, ईरान का किसी चीज़ पर कंट्रोल नहीं। ईरान एटमी हथियार हासिल नहीं कर सकता।
Well, we feel very badly, but those great people, those great patriots were out there fighting that Iran cannot have a nuclear weapon. Iran has been very, very badly damaged. They've lost everything almost militarily. They've got very little left. They've got some missiles. They've got some drones. They've got some manufacturing ability, not much. We control the Strait. They don't control anything. So we'll see what happens. But we hit them very hard again tonight. And we did that in honor of the probably three. It's probably three as opposed to two great patriots.